with abstract art ideas, unique and creative wooden designs. Wood has always been an essential material in art and design, but abstract wooden art takes creativity to an entirely new level. Unlike traditional woodwork that focuses on function, abstract wooden art is about form, emotion, and imagination. It blends natural textures, intricate patterns, and unexpected shapes to create something truly unique. From large-scale sculptures to wall-mounted pieces and intricate wooden mosaics, abstract wood art challenges our perception of this timeless material. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of wood abstract art. We'll uncover how artists and designers push the boundaries of woodworking to create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that can elevate any space. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of wood, this deep dive into abstract wooden art will inspire you. The beauty of abstract wooden art. Abstract wooden art is all about pushing the limits of shape, texture, and movement. Unlike traditional woodcraft that emphasizes straight lines and predictable forms, abstract designs often feature fluid curves, layered depths, and geometric illusions. Each piece tells a different story, sometimes bold and striking, other times subtle and intricate. One of the biggest appeals of abstract wood art is its ability to connect with nature while also feeling contemporary. The grain of the wood, the imperfections, and the natural color variations all add an organic touch to the artwork. When combined with modern techniques like laser cutting, resin inlays, or layered carving, the results can be breathtaking. This unique art form isn't just about what the artist creates. It's about how the viewer interprets it. Some pieces might resemble waves crashing against a shore, while others evoke the feeling of movement or depth. The absence of defined forms allows the mind to wander and create its own meaning. Layered and dimensional wooden art. One of the most mesmerizing techniques in abstract wooden art is the use of layers. By stacking different wooden elements at varying depths, artists create three-dimensional illusions that add movement and depth to a space. These layered pieces often mimic the natural landscapes of mountains, flowing water, or even abstract geometric formations. Some artists achieve this effect by using thin, laser-cut wooden sheets, arranging them in a way that casts dynamic shadows when light hits them. Others take a more traditional approach, carving wood by hand to create a multi-layered effect. Regardless of the method, the result is always stunning, a visually engaging piece that changes depending on the angle and lighting. Another fascinating variation of layered wood art is topographic wooden sculptures, where artists carve intricate, contour-like patterns into stacked layers of wood. These pieces resemble elevated landscapes, river formations, or abstract geological structures, making them not only artistic, but also deeply connected to nature. Freeform and organic wooden sculptures. Abstract wooden sculptures take woodworking beyond the realm of straight edges and predictable shapes. These pieces often follow natural flowing curves, as if the wood itself is bending and moving. Some sculptures take inspiration from the natural world, mimicking the forms of wind-swept sand dunes, twisted tree branches, or rolling ocean waves. Others are purely conceptual, designed to evoke emotions rather than represent any specific object. Some artists create hollow, twisting wooden forms that appear weightless, almost defying gravity. These sculptures are often made by steaming and bending wood, allowing it to form natural, fluid shapes. Others take a more rugged approach, carving deep grooves and unexpected voids into large wooden blocks, revealing an inner complexity hidden within the material. Regardless of the technique, free-form wooden sculptures bring an undeniable sense of movement and intrigue. They feel almost alive, capturing the essence of nature's unpredictability while maintaining a sense of balance and harmony. Geometric wooden art and optical illusions. On the opposite end of the spectrum from organic forms, some artists create highly structured geometric wooden pieces that play with symmetry, repetition, and contrast. These designs often feature interlocking shapes, precise angles, and mathematical patterns that create optical illusions. One of the most exciting techniques in abstract wood art is the use of tessellations, where identical wooden shapes are repeated in a way that creates a mesmerizing effect. When stained or painted in different shades, these pieces create the illusion of movement and depth, making them appear almost three-dimensional. Another popular approach is the use of layered geometric patterns, where each layer of wood is carefully cut and stacked to form intricate shapes that seem to shift depending on the viewer's perspective. These pieces work beautifully as wall art, adding a bold yet elegant statement to modern interiors. Mixed media wooden art, combining wood with other materials. While wood is a stunning material on its own, abstract artists often push their creativity further by incorporating other materials such as resin, metal, glass, or even textiles. The combination of different textures creates a striking contrast that enhances the artwork's depth and complexity. One of the most popular mixed media approaches is wood and resin fusion. Artists pour colored resin into carved wooden spaces, creating mesmerizing patterns that resemble swirling galaxies, flowing water, or luminous gemstones. The result is an eye-catching mix of natural warmth and modern vibrancy. Another fascinating combination is wood and metal, where delicate metal accents are embedded into wooden surfaces to create a futuristic aesthetic. Some artists take it a step further, incorporating LED lighting into wooden sculptures, giving them an ethereal glow and adding an interactive element to the artwork. Mixed media wooden art is a testament to how traditional materials can evolve in contemporary design. It opens up endless creative possibilities and allows artists to push the boundaries of what we can achieve in artistic expression. Abstract wooden wall art, a statement piece for interiors. For those who want to bring abstract wooden art into their homes, wall-mounted pieces are one of the best options. Unlike sculptures that require space, wooden wall art offers a striking focal point while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Some abstract wooden wall art features cutout silhouettes, where pieces of wood are removed to create intricate negative spaces. When placed against a contrasting background, these designs create a striking effect, almost like a shadow play. Other designs take a modular approach, with multiple wooden panels arranged in a sequence to form a larger composition. This allows for flexibility in arrangement, letting homeowners customize the look to fit their space. For those who love a natural touch, wood slice art, where different sizes of wood rounds are arranged in an artistic pattern, adds an earthy yet modern element to any room. The beauty of abstract wooden wall art lies in its ability to blend artistic expression with functional decor, making it a perfect addition to contemporary interiors. The endless possibilities of abstract wooden art. Abstract wooden art isn't just a form of decoration. It's an exploration of the very essence of art itself, form, texture, and movement. By pushing the boundaries of traditional woodworking, artists turn a simple material like wood into a dynamic, expressive, and thought-provoking piece. Whether it's the layered complexity of wooden compositions, the flowing beauty of organic sculptures, the precision of geometric illusions, or the rich textures found in mixed media creations, abstract wooden art demonstrates that wood is one of the most versatile and captivating materials available for artistic expression. What makes abstract wooden art so special is its ability to be interpreted in countless ways. The absence of rigid forms allows each viewer to experience a unique emotional response. For some, a piece might evoke the natural world, with its flowing curves and intricate grain patterns. For others, it may speak to a deeper, more personal connection, drawing out reflections and feelings that make the art resonate on a profound level. This openness to interpretation is what makes abstract wooden art so engaging. It's not just an object, but a conversation between the artist and the viewer. Not only does abstract wooden art elevate the aesthetic of a room, but it also adds warmth and sophistication to any space. The organic texture and natural patterns of wood bring an earthy, grounded element that contrasts beautifully with the sleek, modern design of today's interiors. The tactile quality of the material makes abstract wooden art feel alive, almost as if it's part of the natural world. And that's one of the reasons it continues to be a powerful medium in contemporary design. If you're looking to bring a unique, artistic touch to your home, or simply want to appreciate the craftsmanship behind these creations, abstract wooden art is an ever-evolving field that offers endless inspiration. Whether it's a handcrafted masterpiece by skilled artisans or a cutting-edge design made possible through modern digital techniques, the possibilities are limitless. Artists are continually pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved with wood, experimenting with new tools, materials, and techniques to create even more incredible pieces. Thank you for joining us as we explored these stunning abstract wooden art ideas. If you found inspiration in these concepts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative design ideas that will spark your imagination. Abstract wooden art is truly a journey, one that blends tradition with innovation, offering both beauty and meaning to any space. See you in the next video.